Hello students. In my previous video I have described about acid, base and salt. यो भन्दा अगाडि हामीले एसिड को बारेमा पढ्यौं, त्यसको टाइप र प्रोपर्टिजहरु, बेस त्यसको टाइप्स र प्रोपर्टिजहरु, त्यस्तै साल्ट र इन्डिकेटर्स पनि हेर्यौं। आजको यस भिडियोमा हामी मुख्यतः some gases or two gases from some gases chapter of class 10. In this chapter we mainly discuss about carbon dioxide, its preparation, laboratory preparation, properties and usage, which are most important for examination like SEE. At first we describe about carbon dioxide, and here carbon dioxide is from chapter of chemistry, some gases. It is most important chapter. Here generally long question asked from, or one very short question and one long question from this chapter. We can write molecular formula of carbon dioxide, or one molecule of carbon dioxide contains one carbon atom and two oxygen atom, therefore it is called CO2. Molecular weight or molecular mass, which is equal to carbon having 12 and oxygen 2 atom, that is 32, 44 AMU. And we can draw structure, molecular structure. Central atom is carbon, that contains 4 valence electrons. Oxygen contains 6 valence electrons. Oxygen contains 6 valence electrons. And here carbon and oxygen share electron, and it is covalent molecule. The oxygen share 2 electron of that carbon and complete octet. Around 6 oxygen को 2 carbon को 8 पुग्यो. That oxygen also share 2 electrons of carbon and complete octet. अब carbon को कति 4 and 2 electrons share from each oxygen atom and complete its octet. In this way carbon 2 pair of electrons shared, therefore double bond oxygen. Here also 2 pairs of electrons shared, therefore double bond oxygen. It is called molecular structure of carbon dioxide. In atmosphere, occurrence. In atmosphere, it is about 0.03% of carbon dioxide is found in the form of a gas, and it is heavier than air, or due to that nearly about it is 1.5 times heavier than air, therefore generally remains collected in deep mines, well, cave. And here we write preparation method of carbon dioxide. General method or general preparation. Carbon dioxide gas can be prepared by various methods, and here we discuss some common methods. First method is when carbon burn in air gives carbon dioxide. When carbon burn in sufficient air, then simply it gives carbon dioxide. First method, easy method of preparation. Next other, any hydrocarbon like methane, ethane, glucose, alcohol, any hydrocarbon burn in air, then it comes. Hydrocarbon means rich in carbon. When burn in air, then it gives carbon dioxide. When hydrocarbon burn in air gives carbon dioxide. Like one of the important hydrocarbon is methane. It is present in biogas. When it is burned in air, then it gives carbon dioxide and water vapor and heat energy also produced there. And here we can write heat energy or energy or simply also. And to balance it, here we write 2 carbon, oxygen is 2 to 4. We can also prepare carbon dioxide by other, or carbon dioxide also can be obtained by other method. Like when limestone strongly heated gives carbon dioxide. Not only limestone, any metal carbonate when is strongly heated, then it gives carbon dioxide, which is known as industrial preparation. Or simply in a large scale we can prepare carbon dioxide by heating limestone at high temperature. It gives calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. These are general method of preparation. अब कसरी त कार्बनलाई हावामा बाल्यौं कार्बन डाइअक्साइड आयो, मिथेन वा हाइड्रोकार्बनलाई हावामा बाल्यौं एयर अक्सिजनसँग बाल्यौं कार्बन डाइअक्साइड आयो, लाइमस्टोनलाई हिट गर्यौं कार्बन डाइअक्साइड आयो. त these are a general method, but in a laboratory one of the convenient easier method is applied to produce carbon dioxide, and that can be done by laboratory preparation of carbon dioxide. And here we write laboratory preparation. How carbon dioxide is prepared in lab or laboratory. In a lab, easier method is from limestone or magnesite. And here we write when marble chips that contains or it has molecular formula calcium carbonate is reacted with dilute hydrochloric acid, or simply when dilute acid react with limestone, gives carbon dioxide. And how it is prepared? For this we take wolf bottle or round bottom flask as an apparatus. We joined with rubber cork and one mouth remains connected to the thistle funnel. Through other hole here we use marble chips, and then With help of a rubber cork, we use delivery tube. And delivery tube is kept in erect gas jar. Why in erect gas jar? Because carbon dioxide is heavier than air, and here the gas is carbon dioxide. Here we use dilute HCl, and up to lower end of Thistle funnel get depth inside the acid. Why? Because it prevents from leakage of carbon dioxide through Thistle funnel. And lower end of delivery tube should not touch the acid level because of passage of carbon dioxide. Third point should be noted, gas jar should be erect. Why? Because it is heavier than air. And other, we can't use here inverted gas jar. Why? Because carbon dioxide goes settle down, or it displaces air upward and goes at lower depth. And other, we can write it is called apparatus. Name of apparatus: Wolf bottle, Thistle funnel is needed, delivery tube needed. These are the name of here apparatus. Gas jar needed. Yeah, these are the main apparatus. Rubber cork needed here, and mainly two chemicals are needed. What are these here? Calcium carbonate and dilute HCl. And how this reaction proceed? The calcium carbonate found in solid state, it react with dilute HCl is found in liquid state. When it react, gives calcium chloride in solid state or in solution state, water in liquid state, and carbon dioxide in gaseous state. To balance, here we write 2 HCl, 1 carbon, 3 oxygen, 2 1 3 oxygen. This is called laboratory preparation of carbon dioxide. The given gas prepared is carbon dioxide or other. We have to check it by various tests. And here at first we should discuss about some question related to diagram. And here we use erect gas jar because it is light, or it is the given carbon dioxide is heavier than air. After that, here we can't use other acid like a sulfuric acid because it forms calcium sulfate layer around the marble chips, and that stop further reaction, and reaction becomes slow down and stop. Therefore, here we use which substance here? Dilute HCl or hydrochloric acid and limestone there. After that, here we confirm that the given obtained gas is carbon dioxide, and we can confirm it as a or through various tests. The first test is here when burning matchstick kept near the or kept In the also we can write mouth of CO2 gas. It extinguishes or blow off. यदि कार्बन डाइअक्साइड भरिएको ग्यास जारको मुख नजिकै बलेको सलाइको काटी लग्यो भने निप्छ. That is, it blow off the fire. Why? Because it cover the surface of fire and prevent from oxygen, which is supporter of burning, and object get extinguished. Second number, when the gas passed through lime water. Which type of lime water? Colorless lime water. It turn into milky color. It means what? Carbon dioxide gas change lime water color into milky. Third test we can confirm that the prepared gas is carbon dioxide by it turn moist blue litmus paper to red. It means what? Blue litmus paper change into a red color in acid, and carbon dioxide is acidic in presence of moisture. Therefore, these tests are confirmed tests of carbon dioxide. And when test becomes successful, then we discuss about properties. And at first, physical properties. What are the different physical properties of here? Carbon dioxide, it is colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas. Listen here, colorless, but having faint, less smell and taste like acids. But it is considered as colorless, odorless, and tasteless. Too faint, too less taste is found there. Other second number is here. It is soluble in water. Therefore, slightly it is soluble in water, therefore not collected by water displacement method. Third is here, it is acidic gas. Why? Because turn moist blue litmus paper to a red. Other, it is heavier than air, about 1.5 times heavier than air. Therefore, carbon dioxide filled balloon goes downward, fall towards the earth because it is heavier than air. It remains collected in old building, tunnel, mines because it is heavier than air. It extinguishes fire because cover the fire surface and prevent supply of oxygen. And that property is also due to here given its heaviness. Fifth is here, it change into solid at minus 78 degrees Celsius, called dry ice. Listen, Dry ice, when carbon dioxide change into solid form, then it is called dry ice. Why? Because having cooling effect but does not wet the wall, does not wet the substance, therefore it is called dry ice. And these are called physical property. What are these here? Colorless, odorless and tasteless, soluble in water, acidic property, having heavier than air, it is solid, it turn into solid at here minus 78 degrees Celsius. In that stage it is called solid. Other we can write 6 is here, it extinguishes fire by covering surface. These are called physical property. Some chemical reaction is carried out by carbon dioxide. It is called chemical properties. What are the different chemical properties of carbon dioxide? First number, it is soluble in water, but what happens when carbon dioxide dissolves in water? It dissolved in water gives carbonic acid H2CO3, that is called carbonic acid. And due to formation of carbonic acid, it turn moist blue litmus paper into red. Carbon dioxide dissolve in water like a CO2 plus H2O, then it form H2CO3, which is acid. That acid causes carbon dioxide, formation of acid with water causes carbon dioxide acts like a acidic gas. It dissolves in water, then form carbonic acid. Second number here, when CO2 or carbon dioxide heated with ammonia gas or NH3 gas, ammonia gas gives urea or chemical fertilizer, nitrogen rich chemical fertilizer. Carbon dioxide plus ammonia on heating, that gives urea, NH2CO NH2. Along with that, water is formed, and 2 nitrogen here we write 2. That urea is formed by the reaction between carbon dioxide and ammonia gas. Third here, when CO2 gas passed through lime water, that is lime water means what? Calcium hydroxide. The 2 type of reaction. For short time or sudden here, in short time it change into milky color. And why it is so? The calcium hydroxide is lime water. When carbon dioxide gas pass through it, then it form white insoluble calcium carbonate and then water. See here, that solid particles causes, it seems like milky color, that is milky color. But when excess carbon dioxide is passed for a long time, and here we write for a long time, in a long time the reactants becomes calcium carbonate prepared there, already carbon dioxide is there, water is there, these all becomes reactants and it change into calcium bicarbonate to 3143732 which is called colorless bicarbonate is formed, and therefore in a long time white color change into colorless. In short time white color is formed. Fourth chemical property is here. When burning magnesium ribbon kept in CO2 containing gas jar or carbon dioxide containing gas jar, it forms black splinter or black spot is formed there. The why it is so? The burning magnesium, carbon dioxide, that magnesium form magnesium oxide and carbon black is in the form of solid form it is found, which is found in black color. Yeah. So these are called different important chemical properties of carbon. After that here we discuss about some common usage of carbon dioxide. The usage here. At first, carbon dioxide gas used by plant for photosynthesis. Also we can write it in chemical property. What happen in photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide, plant take carbon dioxide through stomata, in root absorb water from ground, in presence of light, in plastid or in chlorophyll, it change into starch and oxygen is formed there. That is called food making process. To balance here we write 6, 6, 6, 6. And in this way starch is formed. And it is also called chemical properties as well as one of the important uses of carbon dioxide. Plant use carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. After that second usage we can write CO2 used in fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher is used to extinguish or blow up fire. It is used in public places like train or in hospital or in a school or in different commercial building. If fire accident takes place, then fire extinguisher used to blow it. And here carbon dioxide, it contains sodium bicarbonate and sulfuric acid in it. When these chemical comes in contact with each other, then it gives carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide extinguishes fire. Third number here, it is used in manufacturing of urea. Urea chemical fertilizer is prepared by using carbon dioxide. After that we discuss in properties that dry ice used in cold storage and dry cleaner. For dry cleaning of clothes or in cold store as a cooling agent, dry ice is used. Or carbon dioxide is cooled about -78 degrees Celsius and which is used as a cooling agent. Fifth number, carbon dioxide is used in aerated drinks or soda water or beverage. These are called different uses of carbon dioxide. Next, other we can write. Yeah, carbon dioxide plant use it. Carbon dioxide used in fire extinguisher. It is used in manufacturing of urea. Dry ice is used for air, given that air is used in cold store. Carbon dioxide is used in aerated drinks. These are called common uses of carbon dioxide. In next video, we discuss about ammonia gas, its preparation, properties and uses. Thank you.